So here's how you can change the background of your text messages on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. And if you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, the first condition would be to get the latest version of the iPad OS. Not necessarily like the completely latest, but you at least have to be on iPad OS 26 because this is when the changes started really to happen, right? So once you have updated, you can check out the Messages application on your iPad. Just open up any thread where you want to just customize it like that. Click on the profile picture of the person you are texting with in the middle of the page at the top like that. And you'll be able to change some things, right? So obviously browse the information or whatever, but there is also the backgrounds. And you can choose a picture from your gallery as a background of the chat, or, like a color overlay, or, these effects which are prepared. And you even have some suggestions which you can click on, and that is how you can utilize it and just customize the way your text message threads look. Naturally, this applies to just the one particular conversation. It's not going to be like changed across the board, but as I said, it makes sense to just customize your messages like that. It just looks nicer that way. So let me know if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon.